Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. Today's Sunday, July 13th. And in today's video, I have two plays for you to put on stock this week. Let's delve right into it. The first one is AZR. Stock closed up 78% on Friday to settle at 36 cents. The high of day, 58 cents. The volume turned up 199 million. Watch for some continuation this week. Second spike is usually more vicious than the first. This one might retrace and retest 22 cents. You might want to set a stop loss at 19 cents. AZI has spikeability. For example, November 11th, the stock skyrocketed from $1.30 all the way to $3.20 on a volume of 13 million. This one's in the auto and truck dealership space, and their headquarters out of China. And you already know the Chinese reputation. Chinese stocks has a propensity to spike for days. On the flip side, they're also riddled with fraud. There's no other way to say it. Let me cut the blatherskite and continue. Let's get the tires. AZI wears a market cap of 42 million. They have 45 million in the float. 0.23% of the float are held by institutions. 41% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their monies where their mouth is. 0.35% of the float are held by shorts. Price to sales, 0.030. Lower the number, the most likely the stock is undervalued. Their 50-day moving average, 56 cents. Their 200-day moving average is 86 cents. This is AZI. 124 million in revenues. Revenue per share, 1.21. Quarterly revenue growth is up 10% year over year. Have 1.25 million in gross profit. Let me say that one more time. 1.25 million in gross profit. They have a total cash of 7 million and a total debt of 14 million. Their current ratio is sitting way below par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.37. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. Please be cautious with this one. AZI. Let's continue. Their leverage free cash flow is in the positive. Leverage free cash flow is a positive 6.6 million. AZI. Let's move on to stock number 2. BQ. BQ spiked 89% on Friday to settle at $4.35. The high of day, brand new 52-week high, $9.89. So the stock touched to $9. Heavy resistance at $9. Volume turned up 3.3 million for BQ. Compare and contrast to their average volume of just 100K. This stock has never seen 1 million shares exchange hands in over a year. Pay attention to this one this week, BQ. Let's continue. This one's in the specialty retail space, and their headquarters out of none other than China once again. 570 million in revenues. Let me say that one more time. Revenues, 570 million. Price to sales is a low 0.16. Is this stock undervalued? Revenue per share 744.26. This is BQ. They have 115 million in gross profit. Let me say that one more time. 115 million in gross profit. BQ. They have a total cash of 46 million and a total debt of 86 million. Their current ratio is sitting at 3 times par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 3.12 BQ. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Go back to your Sunday activities, and I'll see you tomorrow with Money Making Mondays with Dave Natch. Take care of yourselves. Until then, Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.